Welcome to the Brief Beginner's Guide for using a Memrise app. This is daily tutorials, and before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. I am already logged in, and today I will teach you about one of the best language learning apps. Make sure you are logged in as well. So I'll explain you about each and every icon present on the screen today. Starting from the top left, 3 parallel lines. Tap on it. You can see I am learning French and Italian as well. You can tap on learn another course and get many options to learn. Let me choose one of the languages that I want to learn again. I want to learn some Turkish. So I'm going to tap on Turkish. And tap on start learning or browse more courses. Just by doing it, you'll get all of us. And if you want to skip it right now, you can tap on this crush bar on the top left and exit this learning session by tapping on yes. On the top right, there is a profile icon. Tap on it. This is your own profile, and that's my username, Vibes Matter. I have just earned 16.67k and learned 13 of the words from French. My longest streak was 2 and experience points is 16,672. Now tap on this gear icon on the top right. You can see you have an option of settings. You can set lots and lots of things and even the privacy from over here. Go back, and my leaderboard this week just looked like this. Now on the bottom right, tap on this floating icon. You have an option of adding your friends from a Facebook or search them through your contacts. Tap on any one of these to add your friends and learn together. Go back on the screen. On the top, there is an option of words and phrases and getting started. Tap on it. Just by doing it, you can see that I've learned this particular words already, and if I want to learn more, I can tap on words and phrases with this yellow background and get started. So I have an option to choose, so I'm going to give some of the test.
Comment tu t'appelles?
And if I'm correct, it will appear just like this.
De rien.
De rien?
And you're done, you can tap
De rien.
OK, got it.
Merci.
Tap on any of the options that you feel like correct, just like me. So you can see I have completed one of the tests from the words and phrases. And on the side, there is a key-like options with 9 of the keys over here. So tap on it. You can see there are lots of options for learning, reviewing, emerging, and communicating. On the learning area, you have words and phrases to learn. Tap on it. You have just seen that.
Au revoir.
I have just completed this before and shown you how to do from the words and phrases. Tap on it again. Tap on learn grammar. On learn grammar, you can identify the pattern and know the differences from over here. Learning grammar all over again. And the next one is below for reviewing. And there are 3 of the options. The first one is difficult words, classic review and speed review. And the 4th one will appear at the end. So tap on difficult words. Here,
T'inquiète pas.
you will learn difficult words, and you need to give a test just like this, where you can insert the word and give your test to get qualified and learn more. When you're done, tap on continue below.
T'inquiète pas.
Just like this, you
T'inquiète
can
pas.
choose and give your test. If you want some hints, you can tap on this pencil option and choose to do it if you don't know.
T'inquiète pas.
And you can see that when you're done, you all over learned some of the difficult words. And tap on this key back again and tap on classic review next to difficult words.
C'est dommage.
Here you can give your test that you've learned, so I'm going to tap on some of them.
Je
just
suis
like
désolée.
this. So if I know, I can do this and
Merci.
choose on any of this
Génial.
audio, and if you feel like
Non.
that's the correct option for no over here, you can tap on continue below
Non.
and give your test just like me. And I've done some refreshes. So going back, next to classic review is a speed review. Tap on it. Recall memories fast, so you need to give your test faster and faster over here and beat this speed just like this. And going back, below is learn with locals, so you can see the visuals of the locals speaking and learn from them. Tap and learn with locals and you can see.
Merci.
So these are the locals speaking, and you can tap the word if you feel like. Just like this. So go back again And next to learn with locals is an option of listening skills where you can listen to the skills and practice your listening skills if you've heard
Comment?
it. Right, okay. So let me test. You can test back again. So just showing you how to do it. So you can tap on skip if you want to skip these lessons and go back again. And below is the pronunciation and the communicate section. Tap on pronunciation. Get here how to pronounce. You need to tap to record yourself. Tap on it. Comment? And then purge it. So you're saying I'm just giving a test. So you can see that these are enough of the options present here at the very beginning, and rest of them will pop out when you will get higher and higher and upgrade your level. So I've just shown you, and just below is an option below words and phrases. There's an option of unlock the full course. Tap on it. To get the full course, you need to tap on subscribe now and get this monthly package for $12.66 per month. So tap on subscribe now and get all of it started by adding your credit or debit card and paying them the money. And you can be an official member of the Memrise account and app itself, and you can get all of the required facilities easily. And you can see that on the top right below this profile icon, here's the download course option with this downward directed arrow. Tap on it. Here too, to learn and download all of the arrow, you have an option of monthly, annual and lifetime. You can tap and subscribe now. It's the same. You can add your credit or debit card and get all of it started by being a member of the Memrise app. And for this 1-day streak, tap on this below. You can see that you can pick your daily goal, that how many of the words that you want to learn per day. If I want to learn 30, I can tap on 30 or 15. Simply you can choose of your own choice. Alright, and then next to profile icon on the left, there's an option of upgrade. Tap on upgrade. Simply to upgrade, you need to subscribe as well with the same process, going back and adding your credit or debit card number and getting all of it started by paying the particular amount and being the official member of Memrise app. So I've told you the basic thing that is present on the screen and how to use Memrise app. So I hope this beginner's guide was really helpful for you. I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.